Good morning, guys. I want to show you a cool setup that we caught this morning. So we look for these areas of consolidation, right? And price kind of blasted out here. Didn't go super high, but it did sweep liquidity, right? And then we're looking right here, right at this area right here. We call that a banker's candle, right? And the banker's candle is the last down. Let me zoom in a little bit here. The last down move before that up push, right? And that's where the banks manipulate price. And they have to come back to that area, right? They have to come back here to get out of their orders because they're actually in drawdown. When they push price down, we call that selling to buy. They're in drawdown in this area and they need to come back. So we actually, we could have got in on this move. I'll show you how in a minute. We actually have an indicator that told us this was going to go up. But it was a big stop loss, like 50 pips on gold. So we set a pending order back down here at this area. Let me drop a line on there. Right there, right? We set a pending order there, and when price came back down, we got in here. And this went for like 1 to 12. It was awesome. Let me drop it on there. Stop loss below the low here. And actually, since then, it's gone even more. It's gone like 1 to 15. Anyway, it's a phenomenal trade. And then there was another opportunity, right, where it blasted out again and then came back. Let me show you something though. We actually have an indicator. It's our own indicator. You have to be part of the team to get it. But see these little arrows? These tell us when to get in as an extra piece of confluence, right? As an extra confirmation that this is actually going to do what we think it's going to do. Look at this, right? Tells us right here, this blue buy arrow, right? And then we got another one right here. Could have got in right here when this closed. Could have got in again on this one or on this one. There were literally 4 entries right in this area that all would have been 1 to 5s or better, right? And a 1 to 5 means if you risked 1%, you would have gained 5%, right? If you risked 2%, you would have gained 10%. This particular one, at 1 to 15, if you're risking 2%, you would have gained 30% on your account. It doesn't mean that you did risk 2% or that you held it that long, but that's just the possibilities are amazing with this high risk to reward strategy, using our indicator or not just using our strategy, either one. You could have crushed it with just the smart money move based on the way that we teach it. So anyway, if you want to learn how to do this yourself, check out the link in my bio. I have free training available, and I'll see you on the sessions.